Elephants in Africa live south of the Sahara Desert. Some live in grasslands called savanna. Summers here are very hot, so these elephants have large ears to fan their bodies. And their wrinkly skin helps too. After a shower or bath, moisture gets trapped in all the nooks and crannies of their skin and helps keep them cool. Other elephants live in the tropical forests of Central and Western Africa. These elephants have a smaller body and tusks than the savanna elephants. Their elephant cousins in Asia are also smaller in size. Their bodies are suited to the moist Asian rainforest, where cooling off is easier. His floppy ears aren't nearly as big as an African elephant's, and his gray skin is less wrinkled.
Contribution will help preserve our planet for future generations.